Once again, it's time for the Law on You, where we give you free legal advice. What more could be better this holiday season?
That's right.
With us today, we have attorneys Greg Fellerman and Harry McGrath. We have great questions this week.
How about it?
Really good. You guys are home.
Our viewers are on top of things.
They're locked in for the new year.
They really are. We're starting the year off strong. Let's continue with Stan from Throop. He says, my 17-year-old took our family car without permission and crashed into someone. Will my insurance cover this? Well, if he's on their insurance, which I hope.
Yes, if he's a named insured on the policy, then likely they will have coverage. There's also the resident relative terms of these policies. It's pretty common. So if you have a minor driver, 17, 16-year-old, who lives in your home but is not named on the policy, coverage is there. But there are some scenarios where the insurance companies will argue that this person did not have the right to be using the vehicle and they can be disclaimed. And I'll have Greg elaborate on that a little bit.
Oh, I can elaborate. So these non-permissive defenses they use, we see them all the time with, in really straightforward auto cases where the defendant wants to say, oh, well, I didn't give permission, the owner of the car, I didn't give that person permission. So then you have to go through all these different scenarios of factually how do you disprove the non-permissive use, which is funny because sometimes you'll see them, oh, well, did you notify the police that your car was taken? These are real simple questions you ask them, and most of the time they didn't. They're just trying to avoid paying a valid claim. So, if someone raises that to you, let's say you're in an accident and insurance goes, well, they didn't have permission, you need to call the lawyer because we've defended these cases. We've gotten a lot of good results when they start with this saying, oh, there's no coverage, and then we end up getting paid. So
That's
it's like,
right.
it's total not. A lot of times it's nonsense. Sometimes it's totally legit, but don't fall for that one.
No.
Okay, well, these guys can help you out. All you have to do is pick up the phone, give them a call, find them online and on social media. And if you have questions for the Law on You, you can call the hotline or go to pahomepage.com.